So you can just let me know how this workshop helped you in terms of what you liked, what benefit you got, any other words or any other lines you would like to tell. Okay. Uh, Priya, since we are there today.
No, we one more this thing question. Like again, if it comes, like we have to repeat these thing, and we have to keep on
Yes.
doing it till it becomes lesser and lesser.
Yes. There is always a benefit behind what we are going through. In life, we say every situation comes up to teach us something. If I have not learned my lesson, it will come back again and again to tell me. Happens, right?
Mm.
So if this anger, like Sunita had was going through, that not being taken care the way ideally she wanted, you know, if that feeling is not being taken care, you know, कुछ कुछ भी होगा छोटा सा तो she might still go through कि अरे पापा नहीं है मम्मी नहीं है या my neighbors didn't do this, whatever. So if we have taken care of these feelings, so it doesn't come out so badly. There is always a benefit behind every situation. So ideally, we say COVID has come to teach us. It is a reset button. Has come to to go in yourself to check how your life is, how your relationships are, how your self relationship with you is, right? So basically, that's what it is said, that COVID has come to teach us. If I am not ready to learn this way, it might come in some other way. So it's an opportunity. Of course, I know it's easier said than done, even I'm saying. So it's an opportunity for us to see in my life where I have to check, correct, or tighten the screw, take care of my feelings, take care of my backlog in my life, take care of my baggage. So if someone is quarantined, this is a time. That is the only time, probably, 14 days, imagine in one room where no one is around you. It's a beautiful time to go through all that. It may not be easy, but we have, fortunately, we have the TV, computer hai, laptop hai, we have
Phone
all the
hai.
gadgets. But still, I'm sure it's not easy when I'm saying it. But it's an opportunity for each one of us. If someone is having, we don't have to have COVID to experience all this. But if somebody is in quarantine, they can take a look in their life. My past, what I did, कहाँ पे मुझे गुस्सा था किसी पर था, I felt frustration. In my life scenarios, I can have a look around it and then go with it. That's an opportunity. If someone takes it an opportunity to be present with it. So the fear, the panic, if I am going through that continuously, it is not helping me, my life, not with everyone. Right. So we say panic nahi hona chahiye. We should not go into the fear. But how not to get into the panic? And if someone is getting panicky at that moment, what to do? So these workshops help in that level. Okay. So I hope it has helped you too.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
if if you can
Definitely.
tell, so if you can tell me what you liked about the workshop, what benefit you got with this one hour plus of session, and anything else you would like to say, you're most welcome to say. Priya, I'll start with you.
I think और भी लोग होते तो we would have got a larger point of view, like which each person varies now. So they are now listening to you all four people. I have come to know अपना तो कुछ भी नहीं है, like ये सब होता है. This is the reality what we have to come across. We have to deal
दुनिया
with
में
it.
कितना
Learn how to deal with it.
दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम कितना कम.
Correct. The
So,
clarification I got. This was a correct medium. I think nice opportunity to be in this session today.
so I do hope that more and more people join. So let's see. Maybe this workshop will, when you go out and tell the world, that also creates a change, right? So
Right.
otherwise, it's like Sunita has come for the first time. Although she had heard about it, कुछ तो करती है, क्या करती है नहीं पता. So this is a scrape of the work we can do, as a therapist. Not only me, there are very beautiful therapists in the world who are taking this step now. कोई आता है नहीं आता है, we are just posting across कि भाई करो आओ, take the help. We are ready to provide that help for you.
Hmm.
So yeah. So Sunita,
And this uh, session really helped me to speak out my inner feelings. Generally, we are speaking about what the world is going through and what others means about the news, about what is the condition is and all those. But generally, we don't get time to speak about our mind, what is going through going in our mind, in our heart. What are the feelings we do not share until and unless somebody tells us. Like generally, we do not pause and think about all this. So this session really gave me a way to vent out my feelings, which was going through. And this was the only thing which I was looking through for this session. That's why I joined, because that COVID anxiety, the topic was such that I really felt that maybe somewhere or the other I would be able to speak my mind. So I really felt good. And as Priya said, more and more people, if they would have joined, but it's okay. I spoke my heart out over here, and really look forward for more sessions also, because these sessions really will help whoever the participants are in the sessions. It will really help them out somewhere or the other. Maybe in the initially we really feel that क्या है उसमें, like it is something which is very obvious, ऐसा होता ही है ऐसा वैसा. बट वो अंदर का जो हीलिंग वाला जो चीज होता है ना, वो बहुत कम लोग उस चीज पे घुसते हैं, या वी रियली डोंट टेक टाइम टू हील दोज वुंड्स या whatever is going in our mind. So sometimes we should take out time for these sessions to heal those, because as you said, like in the quarantine time, all everything subsides which is subsided, it pops out. मतलब वो एक टाइम होता है जब वो निकलता है, जो एक हमारा फीलिंग शायद कहीं ना कहीं मेरा वैसा नेचर रहा होगा, मे बी की टू एक्सपेक्ट मोर, या मीन्स हाउ आई डू द सेम thing I should be reciprocated. So I have learned that to curb it down and to lower it down. मतलब accept that no, this is not the way. You have to accept this way also, and we should be try to be happy in that situation also, and to see the better part also of life, not only the grace side, the other side also. So that I have learned, and this really helps me out, because in this busy days, the busy life, we don't take out time to speak our mind. So this was the session, this was the platform where I got, and I think it has really helped me out.
So thank you. I think
Thank
you
you.
are in that. Yeah. So just post it around wherever you are, and if you have people around, who are looking for this, it's easier for me to get to, sort of put it across. I think I took 1.5 days to post it across.
Uh,
I was so tired yesterday. I said, no, this is not the way I am planning to go ahead with right now. But I'm happy because today five of us were there, including me, if I'm counting, because I'm also going through some certain ways, right? I also don't know क्या क्या हम लेके बैठते हैं. So first time my husband joined, which is a big change for me. Shout for me. So
maybe for me he has joined, I think. वो बोलते हैं ना, there is a reason for everything. Whatever happens
yeah,
is for a
because
reason.
yeah. So because there's so many times at home when I ask him to do with me, it's difficult. The part comes out as a wife. It's difficult to see as a therapist. So now I'm like, you want your wife to speak or you want your therapist to speak? So if you want your wife to speak, तो फिर वो अलग कहानी है. You want your therapist, then you have to sit like a client.
Yeah,
Which is not easy, which I also understand. So I'm happy he also got an opportunity like this. And
good.
yeah,
सुनीता
thank you.
also like her, आपने जो दर्द बांट दिया है सबको, अभी कम हो गया रहेगा. It was like दर्द
हाँ
बांटने
मेरा
से
तो
कम होता है ना.
हाँ वो तो है दर्द बांटने से कम होता है. आजकल लोगों के पास में ये पूछने का भी टाइम नहीं होता कि तुम्हारा दर्द क्या.
Correct.
So somewhere or the other, if you are asking generally also, तो वो अच्छा लगता है कि यार कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो मैच हो रहा है हमारा. एंड ऐसा फीलिंग्स आता है तो वो सबको भी आता होगा या आता है, तो ये जान
आता
के
है.
अच्छा लगता है.
कोई पूछना है बस. सुप्रिया
हाँ
is
पूछना है
the
बस. Really, people have become so insensitive. कि मतलब
not insensitive nahi, so all are busy in their own world.
busy. Yeah, everybody is very busy. So we don't take pause.
Everything has transferred in the digital world. I'm more bothered about
Yes.
my friends
Hmm.
who are not here. I'm more bothered, and I feel for them who are maybe in America. I'm bothered. I'm looking for some connection with the person saying Dubai. So the world has shifted from the immediate neighborhood in the physicality
Yes.
to the digital world. So
Yes.
hopefully this, along with that, what we are having, as a blessing to connect with everyone in the world, we get back to the reality also.
Hmm.
So,
Okay.
Yes.
so
Thank
thank
you,
you for
Supriya.
joining. Yeah, thank you, Priya and Sunita, and my
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sunita
co-host
Priya.
ma'am.
friend Murthy. Let us
Thank you,
also
Priya, for joining.
thank. Yeah. So whenever we are doing workshops, there is always a divine presence. There is always a divine presence who guides me, who helps me to do this workshop. Not only this one, any workshop we conduct, we always call the higher consciousness, the divine, to help me to make it
Gives you the
ease for
power.
every one of us. Yes. So let us thank whosoever is present, in the subtle form. So let us thank the masters present here. So thank you, Priya. Thank you, Sunita.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Shubham.
Supriya.
So we'll close the workshop here. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye.